Okay, so guys, today I'm gonna show you all my 3D printed stuff and the new ones I just got it today. So first up is this green snake. You can see the eyes, it's a whole green snake. I got that one today, and then I got this red one also today. Okay, restore it. How much grand is it again? It's 50 round one. So, yeah. And then we got this one. It's a spider. And then we got this octopus. This octopus. This dragon. And this axolotl. And then the spider's foot fall off. So that's all. Bye bye.